book part 2. Yes, children, we have been completed these, those, that. Yes? Yes? Are you clear with that? Yes. So, what we learned in previous class, when the thing is, some object is nearby means, what you should say? If it is singular means, this is a pen, this is a pencil, or this is a book, like that. Okay? Okay, if it is far, what you will say? Yes, very good. That is a book or that is a pen, like that. What object you are telling about. Okay. Yes, then next we learned even these, those and all, right? Yes, if it is plural, what you have to say? Yes, what you say? If you have plural means more than one, right? If you are having more than one book, you have 3 or 4 books with you. Yes, what do you say? These, near means near, it is near. These are books. These are books. If it is far away, those are books, not that. Those are books because more than one of plural. Yes, I have already taught you, right? Don't forget, children. Okay. Are you clear with this? Yes. Now we will move on to the, yes, which? Yes, we have writing. Here we have make a greeting card. Yes, this is the activity you have to do. Okay? Make a greeting card. Everyone loves to get cards, right? Yes, it is a way to telling people that we care of them. Now, then you give a greeting. We say what we feel about somebody when we write a message on the card. What we are feeling only we are writing in that card, right? Yes. Then look at this. Look at some examples of greeting cards here. See, can you see? Happy Diwali. See in your book, children. Yes, Happy Diwali. May this Diwali be filled with light and joy. Enjoy the festival of lights, love, Pia. Like that they have written. You can also write in such a way. Yes. Example, today is New Year. You can make one greeting card and give to your parents or your friends or for your teachers whom you like. For them you can give a greeting card, right? You only can make one greeting card using a kg cardboard, color cardboards you have, no kg cardboard. In that you can make differently. Yes, you can fold it as a, yes, like a book and make it some designs on that. Draw, or you can stick some designer things and all, and you can write on that Happy New Year, like that. Okay, and you can make it like a craft. You can make it as a craft greeting. You can take your parents help and do this. Okay, children, this is must. You have to do one greeting card and you have to take that pic and you have to send it in the group. Okay, so greeting card. It should be, yes, please send it. If you are able to send today, tomorrow, or Monday also, it's okay. But Monday is the last day, you have to submit this. Okay? Yes, so you have to do the greeting card and send it in the group. Okay? Yes, see, happy birthday. Hope you have your great year ahead. Like happy birthday also you can write. Happy Diwali also you can write. And happy New Year also you can write. Yes? So it is depending on you only. So you will do this. Okay? You can write a greeting card for many reasons like birthday wishes or New Year wishes or something good luck or congratulating also you can write it. Okay. So exercise 4.1 page number 53. Make a birthday greeting for a family member, friend or teacher. Use the using hints to help you make the card. So you have to draw a picture related to the topic. If it is birthday means like cake, candles you can draw. If it is New Year means you will draw New Year and put some heart symbol, or you can put one star also. Hence anything you can do in the greeting. And write the name of the person you are wishing, for whom you are wishing. Example, you are wishing your mother, then you can write I love you mommy, like that. Or be happy, like that. Anything you can give a message in that, right? And write a short message, any short message. Mummy, I love you. You are a great mother in the world. Like that you can write about your mother. Okay, inside that, and you can wish like Mother's Day also you can write and give to your mother also you can do. Yes, our Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day. You are teaching us very well. We learn from you many things. Like that, whomever teacher you like, you can make a greeting and you can give them. You can give them as a present. Yes, they also feel happy, right? And write your name on the at the bottom of the card. At the bottom of the card, from example from Pregna like that, or from Nishant like that. Okay, you can write your name there. Okay, you have to do this. See here, one more thing we have here. So you will write this here. Your name you should write. Okay, say write on the board. See children, in page number 53. Write down here. Then write your name. Here you should write your name. Please children listen. Then after that you will write today. Copy down. Today is very special day. Today is very special day. I hope you eat many chocolates and have a lot of fun. You are the best friend or best mother, anything you can write, in the whole world. Like that you can write. Or you can write, if it is your friend's birthday, happy birthday, like that. Okay? Happy birthday. Your friend name you will write here. Okay, your friend name. Then at last you will write your name with lots of love. With lots of love. Your name here. Okay? Here your name, here your friend's name, here your name at last. Okay, like this you can write inside the greeting card like this. Okay, you should write down here also. Okay, then turn the next page. Write rhyming lines. Next we have write rhyming lines. Please copy down fastly, children. Yes, children, write fastly. Yes, next we have write rhythm lines. A rhyme is when two or more words have the same ending sound. Okay, that is called rhyming word, right? Many poems have rhyming words. Many poems will have rhyming words. It is fun and interesting to read such poems, right? Yes, then they sound like songs, right? Poems are like songs. Yes, no? Yes, let us look at few poems written by different people. Try to spot the rhyming word in them. Okay, and read the poem. Listen. Little seed. I plant a seed in the ground. Out comes the sun, big and round. Down come the raindrops, soft and slow. Up comes a flower, grow, grow, grow. Yes, see here. Grow like that. Grow, grow, grow. Yes, then soft, slow, sun, round like that. Yes. So, in this you have to find out the rhyming word and tell me. Which is the rhyming word, children? Ground, round. Correct, no? Ground, round is the rhyming word, right? Yes, then can you tell me some other children? Tell me. Tell me. Huh? Down, ground. Okay, then plant, soft. Okay, and then my tooth fell out. Next poem, children. Next poem. See here. Next poem. A tooth fell out of and left a space, so big that my tongue could touch my face. And every time I smile, I show a space where something used to grow. I miss my tooth as you guess, but then I have to brush one less. Okay, guess less. Okay, rhyming word, no? Tell me, children, rhyming word. Stop writing and tell them. Okay, now exercise 4.2. Circle the words that rhyme with each other. Then make two rhyming lines using one of the pairs of the rhyming words. What you have to do? This is your homework. Mark it as homework. Exercise 4.2. Okay, you have to circle the rhyming words in this. Okay, please circle the rhyming words in these three boxes. Okay, then what you have to do? You have to write one poem here. Using these rhyming words, you will write one poem here. Okay, do this and come. This is your homework. Understanding, children? Are you clear with homework? Yes. So please do the homework. Poem, try to write. If not, I will write it in the next class also. If you are not able to write the poem, then definitely I will teach you in the next class also. Okay, but try to do this. Understanding, children? Yes. Hope you understood, right? And one more thing, what you have to do? You have to make a greeting card. You have to make one greeting card and send it in the group card. You should send that pic in the group after doing the greeting card. Now you have to send it in the group. What? School. Yes, you can bring to school also. You can send it in the group also. Okay? Yes? Yes. Are you clear with your homework? Yes. Then we will meet you in the next class. Enjoy your day. Bye. Take care.